Hi there, welcome to Dream. I'm Paul Bevan, Australia's #1 property finance expert. Now, another question I get from clients a lot of the time is, what is the difference between a principal and interest home loan and an interest-only home loan? Okay, now what that refers to is your repayment method, okay? So on a principal and interest home loan, on each of your monthly repayments, you'll be paying off some of the principal and some of the interest, okay, in each of those payments. In an interest-only home loan, you'll be only paying the interest portion of your loan in each of those monthly repayments. So what that does, obviously, is reduces your monthly repayment. So if you're paying interest only, your repayment will be lower, okay? However, if you take out an interest only home loan, it's generally for a set period of time, generally 1 to 5 years, it can be up to 10 years. You'll be paying interest only for that length of time, okay? Now, what that will do is at the end of the interest only period, you will then have to revert to a principal and interest repayment, okay? So that'll be a higher repayment. That'll also be a higher repayment at that point than if you paid principal and interest from the start of the loan. Now, the reason that is because the loan term will then be shorter, okay? So if you take out a principal and interest loan over 30 years, you will pay off the entire balance within 30 years, okay? If you take out an interest-only loan, and the interest-only period is for 5 years. For the first 5 years of that loan, you're just paying interest, okay? So your principal balance will still be the same 5 years into that loan. You've then got 25 years, a shorter loan term than in our first example, to pay off the principal and interest balance, that entire balance, okay? So an interest-only loan, as an owner-occupier, you will be simply reducing your initial loan repayment amount, okay, so that monthly loan repayment amount. Now, without getting into too much detail, interest-only loans are generally utilised by investors on investment loans, generally for tax reasons, but we'll leave that topic for another day. Okay, so the main difference between principal and interest only. Principal and interest, you'll be repaying part of the principal, which is your initial loan amount, and the interest in each of your monthly repayments. On an interest-only loan, you'll be paying off simply the interest portion in each of your monthly repayments, and that'll be for a set period of time.